Good morning, children. I hope all of you are safe at your home. So, children, today we will discuss some more questions related with the topic internal organs. And I hope you revise the chapter and book exercise. Yes? Now, today, see how many questions you are able to do by yourself. Okay? See in this worksheet. Tick the correct option. First question, tick the correct option. So children, in this question, two options are given and you have to put the tick on the correct answer. So see the A part, our kidney and lungs help us to breathe. See, two options are given, kidneys, lungs. So tell me, which of the following organs help us to breathe, kidney or lungs? Yes, very good. Lungs help us to breathe. Okay. So put the tick on the lungs. Okay. Lungs help us to breathe. Now see the second one. All the organs of our body are controlled by the stomach or brain. Tell me children, all the organs of our body are controlled by stomach or brain? Yes, correct answer, brain. Okay, all the organs are controlled by the brain. Clear? Now see the C part. The eye is an internal or external organ. Tell me children, are you able to see the eye? Yes, by the help of your eye you are able to see, and it is the external part of your body. Okay, it is external organ. So put the tick on the external organ. So eye is an external organ. Now D part, we have one or two hearts in our body. Tell me children, we have one heart or two hearts? Tell me, we have one heart. Okay, we have one heart in our body. Okay, we don't have two hearts. Now see E part, drinking milk makes our bones strong or weak. Tell me children, if you drink milk, then it makes your bones strong or weak? Strong. Okay, this one is the correct answer. Okay, now one more time you see. One more time, tell me, our kidney, lungs help us to breathe. So our lungs help us to breathe. All the organs of our body are controlled by the brain. Okay. Eye is an external organ. D part, we have one heart in our body. Okay. We have one heart in our body. One heart, okay, not hearts. Okay, not hearts, heart. Now, drinking milk makes our bones strong, weak, strong. Okay, clear? Now move to the next sheet. See here children, what you have to do in this. Check the correct word to complete the sentence below. So children, here also two options are given and you have to choose that which one is the correct. Okay, the dash is the control center of our body. So which is the control center of our body children? Brain or heart? Brain. Okay, so put the tick on brain. Brain is the control center of our body. Why? Because brain control the function of other organs of our body. Clear? Now see the second question children. The dash pumps blood all around the body. So which organ help us to pumps the blood? Stomach or heart? Heart. Okay. Heart pumps the blood to other organs of our body. Clear? Now move to the next. Third one. We use our dash to breathe. So we use our dash. See the third one. We use our dash to breathe. Which organs we use children to breathe? Heart or lungs? Lungs. Very good. Okay. We use our lungs to breathe. Clear? Now see the fourth one. We need our dash to digest food. So we need our lungs or stomach to digest the food children? We need our stomach to digest food. Clear? Now, move to the next sheet. In this question, what you have to do, children? See here. Circle the internal organs. See here, the picture of internal and external organs are given. Okay, name is not given. Okay, so you have to find out that which organ is the internal organ. Okay, which organ are the internal organ, and you have to make circle around the internal organ. Okay, so see the first one. Children, can you tell me the name of first one? What is that? Yes, very good. It is our heart. Okay, so this is internal or external organ, children? Internal organ. So put the circle. Okay, now see the next one. What is this, children? Kidney. Okay, kidney is not in your syllabus, so that's why I'm not teaching you, but you try to observe the picture and try to know the name of different internal organ. Okay, so this is the picture of kidney. Okay, and kidney is also internal organ because we are not able to see kidney. Okay, now see the next one, children. What is this? Nose. So nose is external organ or internal organ, children? Tell me, external organ. Okay, because we are able to see the nose. Now see the next one. What is this? Eye. So children, are you able to see your eye? Yes. Why? Because it is an external organ. Okay, now move to the next one. What is this, children? Tell me the name. Are you able to tell me the name? Yes? Then tell me. It is our lungs. Okay, and lungs are also internal organs. So put the circle in this. Okay, now see the last one. What is this? What is the name of this organ? Stomach. Okay, and stomach is also internal organs. So make the circle around the stomach. Clear, children? Now all of you revise this exercise. Okay, and after this, in my next video, we will discuss chapter 3. That is, what is the name of chapter 3? Family and friends. Okay, children? Till then, all of you take care. Thank you.